T-Mobile error code 82 indicates a problem with your device registering on T-Mobile's network for VoLTE, which provides high-quality voice calls over the 4G LTE network, and IMS, which handles multimedia services like video and Wi-Fi calling. This error means your phone can't access these services properly, potentially disrupting calls and other features. Root causes include outdated software, corrupted carrier app data, SIM card issues, or conflicts with VPN or firewall apps. This error is becoming less common due to T-Mobile's network upgrades and software updates, particularly the firmware update version 82.015, released in Q2 2025, which significantly improved IMS registration. To troubleshoot T-Mobile error code 82, start with quick fixes. First, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. Next, clear the cache of the T-Mobile Carrier Services app to remove any corrupted data. You can also perform a network reset in your phone's settings to reset all network configurations. For a more advanced approach, manually configure your APN settings. Navigate to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, Access Point Names. Ensure the settings match: name T-Mobile, APN fast.tmobile.com, MSC T-mobile.com. T-Mobile's My T-Mobile app includes a diagnostic tool that can scan for and fix error code 82 automatically. Regularly updating the T-Mobile Carrier Services app is crucial for preventing error code 82. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact T-Mobile support for personalized assistance.